See, my name is Sagar Niloji. I'm from Anjuna, and we have a club called Cafe Bullet Goa, and we are ridden from Goa to Kashmir and back here in Goa. And I had done on 2015. I had done Goa, Kashmir, Kanyakumari, and back to Goa. So now this year we had gone 15 of us riding from Goa to Chandigarh, from Chandigarh to Ladakh, Leh Ladakh, and we had taken like routes in Pakistan border, route like China India border, and so on. It was a very good experience to ride over there, and there were no roads at all. We loved those off-roading. There was a lot of slash, a lot of snowfall, and things like this. Thanks. We had done around 8,000 kilometers this time. Some of them done like half of that because they are taken bikes in Chandigarh and they ridden from Chandigarh and back Chandigarh. So we had ridden from Goa and we did all the Ladakh and came back to Goa. That's me, he, and Moya. This also, Amay, and there's another
Vishal.
and Vishal also, and there is more guys also. They are not here for some reason. They couldn't come here. So this is first time. This is my 5th time, and this is my darling.
And for first time.
And this is first time. This is also first time. And there's the other boys are like they had gone. Some of them gone 7 times. Like this is called as Star Chasers, and this is our 7th time of what we are riding from our club.
What message you want to give?
Message I could give my all the riders who like for the here like people here, they should at least go once to Himalayan and they see the Himalaya and come back. And of course they should not forget to see the borders. Our Indian armies are always there, just like saving us. Like we saw them over there, like fighting for us. That we saw eye to eye. They shown us some bunkers and things like this. But I say like everybody should go and see the Himalayas, the snow, what we have in India, and whatever. Like we have everything in India, kind of snow we have a hailstone there, we have a storm like a sandstorm. Whatever you get abroad, we have here. So they should go and see it. Thanks.
Any problem?
Problems over there were some people had some breathing problem because of altitude, because they couldn't breathe proper.
18,000.
Yeah, it's like 18,500 like about the sea level. So it was like some people have some problem of breathing. Some people had like small falls, like that's a nice, but nothing happens. Yes, nothing more. Other than that, there were no problems.
हांव जलेश राऊत. हांव ह्या क्लबान न्यूली जॉइन जाला. म्हणजे सागर हेंच्यान म्हाका जॉइन केला. म्हाका लदाख कितें तें पळोवंक जाय आसलें. म्हाका इजी दिसलें. लोक सगळे रायड करता, बट इट नॉट सो इजी. जेन्ना फर्स्ट सकाळचो भायर सरलो तेन्ना इट वॉज हेवी रेनिंग. व्हडलो पावस पडटालो हांगा. अक्षरशः रेनकोट घालून भायर सरला. हांव देवा कडेन मागतलो घरांतल्यान भायर सरतना पावस नाका म्हणून. कित्याक आख्खी फॅमिली रडपाच्या भशेन पावली भायर सरतना. तरी आसतना आमी मॅनेज केलें. फुडें पावता इतली डिफिकल्टीज येयली म्हाका. हांव सारको भियेल्लो. पूण हो बॉय सागर हिणें म्हाका इतली धाडस दिल्ली की भिवनाक आसलें. लोक रोहतन पास हें तें व्हडली नांवां घेता. एक्चुअली रोहतन इज अ व्हेरी इजी पास. जे आमी केल्या पासीस ऑलमोस्ट 10 ते 11 पासीस केल्या टफ दॅन रोहतन.
वॉर्ड नंबर 19 काउन्सिलर सुधीर कांदोळकर. हे काफे बुलेट गोवा जो गोंयचो हो जवळ जवळ 30 जाणांचे जे बुलेटी घेवन हे बॉर्डरीचेर चायना बॉर्डरीचेर गेल्ले. तेतून आमचे म्हापशाचे तशेंच म्हाज्या वॉर्डाचो आमचो जलेश राऊत तशें म्हापशाचे जवळ जवळ 7 जाण ह्या मोहिमेन गेल्ले. आनी ती मोहीम आयज डिफिकल्टीन सक्सेस करून येयल्या बद्दल म्हापशेकारांच्या वतीन म्हाज्या वॉर्डाच्या वतीन एज अ काउन्सिलर हांव तेंचे मना पासून अभिनंदन करता. आनी तेंच्यांनी जे एक धाडस दाखयलें. आयज आमी पळयतात, आमी पेपरार सदांच वाचतात, बॉर्डरीचेर फायरींग जाली, हें जालें तें जालें. पूण आयज आमचे सैनीक कशा तरेन जे हार्डशीप जावं सगळ्या एका नेचरा कडेन ते सामना करतात. जे हर तरेचे ऋतू आसता, वा स्नो पडटात जावं दरड कोसळटात, थंडी वाऱ्याची पर्वा न करता ते बॉर्डरीचेर आमची बॉर्डर रक्षा करता. तेचे हे एक्सपिरियन्स आनी ते कशा पद्दतीन करता हे तेंच्यांनी वचून आयज पळयलें. आणि त्यांच्यानी जे जाणून घेतले आणि ती माहिती आयज आमकां त्यांच्यानी जी खरी रियल दिल्या बद्दल परत त्यांच्या अभिनंदन करता. इन फ्युचर असे हे त्यांच्यानी सदांच धाडस करचें आणि आमी जे ह्या निमतान सैनिकाचो आमकां जो उगडास येता त्यांचे आमी अभिनंदन करपाक जाय, तांकां करेज दिवपाक जाय. इतलें उलोवन हांव परत एकदां अभिनंदन करून त्यांचे देव बरें करूं.
आमचे तरुण नौजवान फाटले 30 दीस उत्तर भारत दौरो करून जे आले यशस्वीरित्या त्याबद्दल त्यांचे मनपूर्वक अभिनंदन. आमी गोंयकार सैन्यान बी वचपाक खूब फाटीं आसता, उलोवपाक आमी फुडें आसता, पण ह्या तरुणांचो उत्साह पळोवन म्हाका अशें दिसूंक लागला की सगळ्या गोंयकार तरुणांक प्रेरणा मेळटली सैन्यान वचपाची आणि सैन्यान एक व्हडलें भवितव्य मिळू शकता त्यांच्या आयुष्यात. सैनीक आमचे जवान आमचे कशा पद्दतीन थंय रावता हांची झलक तांच्यांनी पळयली आणि अत्यंत थरारक अनुभव अशें आमकां तांच्या कडसून आयकून मेळ्ळे. हांव अशी अपेक्षा करता की ह्या ग्रुपाच्या यशस्वी मोहिमेन गोंयचे आमचे तरुण भरपूर प्रेरणा घेतले